Okay, we're a traditional media company that was financially supported through subscriptions and advertising. And in 2008 through 2010, we began to go through some challenges as a business that were driven both by the financial crisis, which was really having an effect on our market, as well as increased competition that was coming into our space. And it called for us to make a business pivot to ensure the future of our organization. And the pivot we decided to do was we launched two different parts of our organization, both a research part and a consulting part, that at the time were built to go beside our journalism properties and to take on some of the top line and bottom line burden, but actually have become over the years the primary drivers of our top line and bottom line now, while we still continue to have our media and journalism properties. We do. We do. So we physically actually do go in and do research and also do consulting work with businesses within our market. We actually keep a pretty dark line that separates our research and consulting sides from our journalism properties. So our journalists can keep, of course, their individual integrity, while the other side of our business is actually uniquely designed to work with the brands in the market. Absolutely. I mean, it certainly helps them become or actually have a better mind for publishing. But what we help them much more on is doing work that they traditionally would do themselves, or they traditionally would do themselves and wouldn't know how to do it well. So I'll give you an example. One is tracking their brand, where we're uniquely positioned to be able to go out and talk to many different stakeholders within the market and get true opinions on what the brand of an organization is within DC. So that's one of the businesses that we do. We help organizations think through areas they need to improve when it comes to working with the different stakeholders that exist within the city. You know, I always say it comes down to having a listening culture. And what that means is always seeking to find what are the big challenges that your market or your audience is facing every year. And if an organization is doing that, they're going to find different products and different services that they can launch to continue to be relevant within their markets and also to continue to drive revenues in the future.